Are you looking for an affordable home with a fantastic layout in Sheboygan, Wisconsin? Well, welcome to your new home in the beautiful Deerfield neighborhood on Sheboygan's northwest side. I'm Marcus, your local realtor, and this is our newest listing at 2421 North 34th Street. This house was built in 1979. It's a beautiful ranch. It's got 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, and it's situated on a beautiful bend in the street here, right next to the Field of Dreams and a couple blocks away from Evergreen Park. But enough about the neighborhood, let's go and check out this place. Step inside and be welcomed by the open and inviting living and dining area that seamlessly flows into the kitchen. The bright and airy space makes it easy to entertain and create memories with loved ones. Behind the kitchen, you'll find a half bath, a full bath, and 3 spacious bedrooms. Plus, the 2-car garage and unfinished basement provides all the storage space you need for your vehicles, equipments, and hobbies. There is plenty of space here to personalize and make it your own. And the private backyard is waiting for those summer barbecues and lovely autumn evenings. I'm your local realtor, Marcus, with Savalio & Co., brokered by eXp Realty, and this is our newest listing at 2421 North 34th Street. If you'd like to set up a private showing, I'd love to show it to you, so give me a call, text, or email, and I'll see you soon.